yun guys, magbi-build tayo ngayon ng gaming chair, no? Hindi sa akin po to. Hindi po sa akin to. So sa kuya ko po ito. So i-build lang po natin and check muna natin yung laman ng syempre, yung items kung goods ba, no? Pero goods naman po yung kanyang pagka-bubble wrap and then yung box, no? So pero still we need to check po yung laman, syempre kung damage ba or may mga parts na damage, no? Yun. So ang brand po pala ng gaming chair na to ay Muso, if I'm not mistaken po. So correct me if I'm wrong na lang po dun sa brand, no? So ayun. So check muna natin yung laman and then proceed tayo sa pag-assemble ng chair. So let's go! So yun guys, we just finished building the gaming chair, which is yung brand po is Muso. Ayan po. So premium quality, sasabi ko lang po. So yan, sa kanyang upuan, it's like a leather, no? Leather. Tapos sa kanyang armrest, yan, meron siyang parang what do you call this, carbon texture, no? Yan. So yan, kabilaan. Tapos yung sa paan naman niya, it's hard plastic po talaga. Ang bigat nito yung during assembly or during assemble. Ito, mabigat talaga to. Wala pa yung mga gulong as is. Yung pinaka parang starfish pa lang. Yan. Tapos sa gulong din, it's made of heavy plastic din. So you can move it around just like that smoothly, no? And then yung kanyang arm rest is movable, no, or na-adjust ng one size. And ito yung pinaka lowest and then highest. So I think so highest, pwede mo siyang laruin dun, no? Kasi ito yung lowest and then ito yung highest. So from that pwede mo siyang laruin. So mo lang dito ng banda sa gitna, ayan, ganyan. So same thing with the other armrest. And then meron din siyang headrest dito which supports your neck, which is napaka-maganda. And lastly, ito, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito sa likod or sa may bandang para pag inupuan mo siya. So I guess it's a leather texture pa din. So let's open this. Parang malaman natin kung wait guys, I'm gonna open this. Cannot open it with one hand. It's a leather finish din also dito sa backrest. Boom. Yeah, so you put it here so that when you sit, you have in your spinal, no? So it's a good thing. And then yung kanyang back or yung sandalan, it's reclinable or na-adjust siya up to 160 degrees. Sige, pakita ko po. Yan. So pakita natin na itong back is na adjust siya pa backwards, no? Up to 160 degrees. So when you sit like this, ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko, no? Kapag medyo yung likod nyo ay medyo pagod na, no? So you can rest your back here and then meron din support para dito sa neck part. Ayan. Pag i-adjust mo naman yan, as you can see, so pwede ka nang matulog. So it's a good thing para sa isang gaming chair. No? Kasi not all of the gaming chair is na-adjust or na-bend hanggang 160 degrees. So it's a good quality for Abuso brand, and for its price naman, nasa mid-range siya. So it's a good thing pa rin. So quality. Masasabi ko lang, worth it yung price niya para sa quality ng mismo gaming. Yan guys, hope you like my video and sana may nakuha kayo sa mga nagbabalak bumili ng gaming chair. Yan. Kasi nakikita ko lang din to before sa mga ads ni Facebook, no? Muso brand. So there are other like models, no? Nung ganito. So meron silang fabric na ganitong upuan din, gaming chair. Meron din yun nga, ito yung leather. And then may mga iba pa nung na mas mahal. So ranging up to nasa 10,000 up na siya. So this is a 10,000 below gaming chair, no, na mabibili mo na quality and ayun, comfortability. Maganda siya. So yun, hope you like the video guys, and until the next building series. Goodbye!